Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to check in Malaysia Airlines online easy guide. For your convenience, it offers several ways to check in online. Mobile at the counter or with our self-service kiosk. Head to the baggage drop-off counters at least 60 minutes before departure. Remember to have your boarding pass and identification ready for security inspection. Your booking reference or e-ticket number. Kindly refer to the booking reference number or e-ticket number. Bring your printed, digital, or Apple Passbook boarding pass to the airport at least 60 minutes before your flight. Drop off any check-in baggage and you have at the baggage drop counter. At security, present your boarding pass and identification card or passport. Then head to the gate. Put your feet up and get ready for your Malaysia Airlines flight experience. While you wait, it suggests shopping at MH Shop or relaxing in our Golden Lounge. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.